Yo, what's happening, guys? Abhi here, and the Pixel Ultra is real. They just posted a video on the Twitter, and everyone is talking about it. You know what? I'm just gonna play the clip for you.
Here we go! Pixel can't stop leaking.
We pretty much know everything there is to know about a Pixel 3 as well as the Pixel 3 XL.
We have a very clear image now of this Pixel 3.
We know pretty much everything about it.
No matter how hard you try, you literally can't get anything past the internet.
Yeah, that's that. I might sound too much excited, but MKPHD also tweet this, so you judge, you can decide by yourself. But then, as always, a party pooper news came. The boxes of the 3XL and the 3 leaked, and it says that both will have a 1080p display, which confirms that if the Ultra is real, it will have a quad HD display. But what is making me confused is that the Pixel 3 XL has a 6.3 inch display, and I don't know what size will be the Ultra one, so I don't know what will Google do. At this point, I just want Google to announce the Pixel Ultra. I mean, it's so much hype has built to this, and I hope they announce it. So the event is in around 10 hours from now, and you can watch it. It will be live. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Peace.